Hi, my name is Sean, past graphic design student from Miss Leacock class. I can see my experience with Miss Leacock has been a very short learning curve. I remember the time I was starting up a clothing brand and I was designing logos with pen and paper. And I approached her with a few designs that I had and asked her if she could help me to design these logos on a computer. And she didn't start me off with Illustrator, but she started me off with a software that she recommended to me, which is called GIMP. And from using GIMP, which is a free software, I was able to learn the brush tool, the pen tool, different layers, all these different things. And from there, just learning the basics and not having to study about a subscription and having to pay to learn, I was able to master different basics and the fundamentals on GIMP. And when I was ready for more tools and ready for a more advanced level of graphic design, I took this step and purchased a subscription from Adobe. And all the different lessons that Ms. Leacock would have taught me, via GIMP, I was able to just take that over to Illustrator, and that helped me to upskill my skills in graphic design. And up to this very day, I have like over 50 designs that I could print on jerseys that I haven't printed as yet. But what I could say is that at any moment that I want to create a design, thanks to Ms. Leacock, I have the experience and I don't have to rely on somebody else to bring certain visions or ideas to reality. Also, if you're a current student of Ms. Leacock, I recommend that you take her advice if she tells you that you should start off using a free app or any alternatives to Adobe Illustrator. Learn the fundamentals, master them, and take it over to Illustrator, and thank her later.